You look Shakespearean holding that skull in your hand.
Ah, soda. Will it be good or will it be bad? That is the question. Whether it will tickle the taste buds or make you want to spit it out. Yes, yes, yes! It is why I try these sodas. And this soda right here I'm trying is another one of these sodas imported from Italy. Galvanina. Now this is a different type of soda. It is a lemon tea soda. Lemon tea is so pretty. Will the soda be good? Right. So I'm gonna try this lemon tea soda. You know, they've been making products and the Galvanina there in since 1910. Bottled in Italy, shipped over. Right now, there's a whole bunch of Galvanina bottles sitting in the middle of the ocean. You know, those long haul shippers who are waiting for people to reel them into their docks. What are they doing? Are they playing volleyball right now? Or are they playing shuffleboard? What do you think those guys are doing right now?
Yeah.
So anyway, we got this Galvanina soda, lemon tea. Let's see how this tastes. Brennan. You know, it's hard to twist sometimes, so I use my teeth. It's called improvising. Boom, 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 boom. Will this be good or will it suck? That's what we'll find out. I'll put it in the middle of the pack. I'll give this a 6.4.
Do Italian sodas have a different taste or feel? Are they characterized in a certain way?
Yeah, much different feel. A lot of them have actual fruit juices, no syrup. It's got a not much of a carbonation. This tastes more like just like a lemon tea, but more, instead of being tea with lemon, it's lemon with a little bit of tea.
Oh.
Yeah. Very mediocre.
Too bad. Sad from the paisanos.
Well, different way of life, different taste buds out there, different things. You know, everything's different.
Well, next time you got to do one actually in Italy. You got to get over to the motherland with Nunzio.
Yep. You know, I was watching the season 2 of The Sopranos when he went over to Italy the other day, and they actually go to the area where my family's from there in Naples, where the Mount Vesuvius.
Really?
Yes.
I think I'm going to go there this summer.
Yeah.
To Napoli.
Naples. Yep. That's where my
the birthplace of pizza.
Yep. Yes, indeed it is.
Wow. I wonder if Dave knows that.
That's why they call all the regular style pizzas Neapolitan.
Oh, that's a good stat.
Yes.
Frank the Tank Soda Reviews loves Italy.
Yes.